Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Movement Labs airdrop. Now farming this airdrop as a whole might be a bit complicated, so I will be only showing you the simple steps as to how you can go ahead and farm this airdrop. Now Movement Lab has raised more than 41 million funding from different seed rounds, and hopefully this should be a decent airdrop for the community. Now in order to farm this airdrop, you have to download their wallet, which is called as Razer wallet over here. Links in the description. You can go ahead and set it up on your Chrome browser. Now the next thing that you can do is basically you can go to their faucet.movements lab over here and request for some move tokens. So simply go to your Razer wallet over here, and over here it should be M1 DevNet. So simply click on it, copy your address and paste it over here and click on get move. At times you might receive 404 error, but you can keep trying till you get this move tokens in your wallet. Now once you have this, all you can do is basically you can go back to your Razer wallet over here and then click on M2 network over here and copy this address over here, because at times the faucet is not working for some reason, and simply go to M1 network over here, and maybe if you want you can go ahead and send one move token to your M2 DevNet. So I will simply type 1 and click on send and click on sign and click on confirm. Now the next thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to Razer Dex over here and click on swap and swap some move coins to different coins over here. So there are a lot of them like Solana, Razer, Tether USDT, BNB. Now in this example I will be like swapping some to BNB. So simply go ahead and click on swap over here, confirm swap and sign the transaction in your wallet and click on close. Now once you have BNB and also move in your wallet, simply go ahead to pool over here, and as you can see I have already added these two liquidity pools. You can go ahead and add some liquidity pools over here. So maybe I will add this BNB. I will keep it as max, and in the coin and token I will select move. So basically it will zap in equal quantity, and I will go ahead and click on supply over here and confirm this and click on sign and close the transaction. So now this has been added to the liquidity pool over here. So basically you can go ahead and swap in between tokens, add to liquidity pool. So these are only some of the basic steps that you can do in order to farm the movement airdrop. Although there are a lot of steps involved, to be honest, which if you guys want I can cover it in the later videos, because that would involve some programming, to be honest. Because this move language is used by Movement Labs, it's also used by SUI and as well as Aptos network. Now basically what you can do is you can also go to this docs.movementlabs.xyz over here, and if you want to learn move programming language, basically you can go through all of this and try to gain knowledge with regards to Movement Labs and move programming language. Now once you have gained enough programming knowledge, if you want you can also apply for their movements open builders program over here, where you can enter your email address, telegram channel, and basically you have the option of applying for all of this. So student, builder, investor, expert, protocol, infrastructure, and then go ahead and click on submit. Alternatively you can also participate in the Zilli quest over here. Now this Zilli quest has reached its monthly limit and it will unfreeze in the next 20 days. So you can keep a tab as to when it will unlock and go ahead and finish this Zilli quest. So I think I've completed this Zilli quest, to be honest. I don't remember, because I keep doing a lot of quests here and there. And you can go to this Movements Labs XYZ, and you might also like check their ecosystem out, and also like if you have developed something on your own, you can go ahead and submit your project. So these are some of the steps that you can do in order to farm the move or the Movement Labs airdrop. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.